Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought to you another update which you can implement or execute to make money to yourself, and this kind of update is called triangular arbitrage. And the platform I'm using to make this video, or the platform that we'll be using for this arbitrage, it is called MEX. So before I dive into the video, please and please, you guys, I know I don't charge for this kind of arbitrage. I don't You people are not paying for it, but I want you guys to please just subscribe, like, share, and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first to get notified. And also subscribe so that if you get to a lot of people, you get to massive of people so that they can also benefit from this kind of update. Okay. So what we need to do now is, first of all, head to our trade section and click on trade section. What you need to do is click on Ethereum slash USDT, Ethereum slash USDT. Okay. For this kind of this arbitrage, we are going to use Ethereum and USDT with another currency that I'm going to show you. So stick to the video. You are going to be seeing me doing this thing here. So what we need to do now is, if let's assume we want to do this with the sum of $100, you insert here 100 USDT. With 100 USDT, we are going to get the sum of 0.04016 of Ethereum. So we now copy the amount of Ethereum we have here. Okay, copied. Now we now go to the currency we are going to make use of. Type in zen slash Ethereum. Okay, you can see zen slash Ethereum. What you need to do now is to paste the amount of Ethereum we have. Okay, we now paste the amount. This is the amount of cents we will receive when we put 100 USDT worth of Ethereum. So we now copy the amount of cents we have here. Copied. Okay, then we move to another exchange, which is sign slash USDT, and sell it to see if we will be able to make our profit. So now click on sign slash USDT. Okay, now we are on cents slash USDT. What we need to do is paste in the amount of, you need to paste in, sorry, I'm coming. What we need to do now is paste in the amount of cents we actually have here. Now paste in the amount. Okay, boom, you can see we have made a profit of 3.4 USDT, which you can do this 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So it's actually profitable. So before I end this video, please, what you need to do when you are performing this kind of arbitrage, when you're performing this kind of arbitrage, you need to be extremely careful. You need to carry out your research first to see if this actually going to make profit, because by the time I was doing this video, I actually carry out an accurate research before I carry out this tutorial to show you guys. So please, if you enjoy this kind of updates I'm giving out every day, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, checking our calculator to see how much we will make daily and how much we will be making every month if we actually carry out this arbitrage. Imagine you make like $3 every single trade, and you can go about this. Let us say 5 times 5, that will be $15. Okay, $15 $15 times $15 times 30, that is actually $450. Currently the dollar is 1481 naira. 1000 sorry 1481 naira times 450. You can actually see that you will make a whooping sum of 666,450 naira. Is that not something that is awesome? Yeah. So if you enjoy this kind of arbitrage and you like what I'm giving out to you guys, because before I put on any video on this app, I do my accurate research. So if you like this kind of updates, please click on this button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and turn on the notification button, because I'm going to be dropping updates like this every day.